What's up everyone, welcome to another video. Dan here. Today I'm doing the 10,000 calorie challenge, so if you want to watch man versus food today, then stick around. Remember to like the video, subscribe for more content, and let's get into the video. Hi guys, so I've just been to Gale's, got a pain au chocolat and a mocha, so that's about 500 calories, so that's my start today. I've gone for a nice walk, got about 7,000 steps in, so the plan now is to do a full body workout and then I'll go for a walk at lunchtime as well, just keep on the move so I'm not feeling too sick, and then I'm going to get into the next meal after I've done my workout. I've showered and just nibbling at these all day. Pro tip, this big bag of Maltesers is like 950 calories, so I'm just going to pick at this all day. I might even get another bag. I just feel like that's really easy calories. And I'm off Sainsbury's now. I'll come back. My plan of action is going to be high fat foods, so I'm going to get a couple of avocados in, go for 4 pieces of toast with avocados. It'll be about 1,200 calories. Maybe have a couple of donuts, try and get to about 2,500 before lunch. Hi guys, so I've got 4 pieces of toast with 2 avocados mashed on, so that's 1,000 calories, and then 5 jam donuts, which I'm probably going to try and eat a couple of now, pace that across the day, so I need to check the macros for that, but I'll add that later on. So I'm going to attempt to eat this now. Donut number 1. Nice and jam, nice jam. So that's donut number 1. Didn't feel too bad. Don't think I'm going to push it right now. I think I'm probably going to take a little break and try and get my Domino's in an hour and a half, something like that. I'll get back to the donuts later on, I think. So gonna go for donut number 2, and this will take me to 2,200 calories before midday, which is not too bad. And yeah, let's see how I get on. So that's 2 out of 5 done. Catch up with you in a bit. Hi everyone, so secured the large Domino's, gone for a pepperoni, and this large garlic dip is 650 calories, so that is pretty scary if you ever had one of those.
It's actually disgusting.
Delicious.
Are you gonna eat that all?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Honestly, please don't sleep in bed with me tonight.
I'll sleep on the sofa, don't worry. Delicious. So I've got 3 slices left, most of the dip done. Whew, struggling a bit now. It's hitting the wall slightly. Update, it is 5 PM and I'm only on about 5,800, 5,900 calories. I've got till midnight tonight, but I need to push through. I'm gonna go buy some nuts. Just had a couple of bananas. Need to go buy a big bag of nuts, just high calorie, like dense fat foods. God, I need all the help I can get. Yogurt covered cranberries, absolutely lifesaver. 700 calories in that bag. I've just demolished that on the way back from Asda. Carried on about 6.5k, absolutely struggling now. It's 6 PM. Plan of action, just gonna nibble on some nuts and maybe another bag of these and just try and gradually top up the calories by another 1,000 before I eat a late dinner. If you wanted to watch a man be slowly tortured and broken and watch his soul be devoured, then you've come to the right place. Slowly breaking me here, so I hope you're enjoying the video. 100 grams of cashew. So everyone, 6:39 now. Just got a handful of cashews left in this bowl. That was 100 grams cashews, which is 580 calories. So that takes me to 7,000 calories at 6:39. Hi guys, so I've got Nando's, half chicken, medium, peri-peri chips, garlic bread with the halloumi on top and lathered in sauce. Whew. So, gonna attempt to demolish this Nando's. Put the macros up on the screen. Should take me to about 8,900 after this. It's now 10:25 PM. Nando's demolished. Gonna get that's taken me forever. Gonna get the last few little bits here. Ready? Here you go. Oh, chicken done. So it's now 10:41 at night, 10:41 PM, and I've got a bag of yogurt covered cranberries left and some cashews. Hello and welcome to How to Become Pregnant in One Day with me, Dan. Hi guys, if you're watching this, I'm just about alive, and if you're watching this, the title of the video is probably going to be how I failed the 10,000 calorie challenge, because I can't even eat anymore, mate. I've got at like 11 PM now, and putting a single yogurt covered cranberry in my mouth, feel like I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna have to call this a 9,000 calorie challenge. I'm absolutely done, guys. Hopefully you appreciate the effort. Absolutely flopped it, but yeah, I tried my best, but gave myself a bit of a mountain to climb, only having about 750 calories before 11 AM. I tried to go do my workouts in the morning, and should have just eaten more earlier on, so effectively done 9,000 calories in 12 hours, which is not too bad actually, but flipping heck, I'm just done, mate, done. So I absolutely fully respect anyone that's done a 10,000 calorie challenge, and if you do attempt it, just make sure you start earlier than me, because it's absolutely done me. I'm not sure if I'll survive this night. If you are watching this video, tell my family and friends that I love them, and I'll hopefully catch you on the next one. So macros came in at carbs 898 grams, fat 519 grams, protein 309 grams, and total calories at 9,063. Never ever again. I'm done.